Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to learn about production. Production means urpatti. There are two main activities in an economy: production and consumption. Production means urpatti, consumption means nugarvu. Similarly, there are two kinds of people: producers and consumers. Well-being is made possible by efficient production and by the interaction between producers and consumers. நுகர்வோரும் உற்பத்தியாளர்களும் முக்கிய பங்கு வகிக்கின்றனர். In the interaction, consumers can be identified in two roles, both of which generate well-being. Consumers can be both customers. Customers means வாடிக்கையாளர்கள் of the producers and suppliers to the producers. The customer's well-being arises from the commodities they are buying, and the suppliers' well-being is related to the income they receive as compensation for the production inputs they have delivered to the producers. Meaning of production. Production is a process of combining various material input and immaterial inputs in order to make something for consumption. The output. It is the act of creating an output, a good or service which has value and contributes to the utility of individual. Production in economics refers to the creation of those goods and services. Production என்பது பொருட்களின் உற்பத்தி which have exchange value. It means the creation of utilities. Utility means one satisfying power of a product. மனிதனுடைய தேவைகளை பூர்த்தி செய்வது என்பது பொருளாகும். Utilities are in the nature of form utility, time utility and place utility. Utility, form utility. If the physical form of a commodity is changed, utility may increase. Example, cotton increases if it is converted into clothes. பருத்தியின் உற்பத்தி அதிகமானால் அது உடைகளாக மாற்றப்படுகிறது. Place utility. Its commodity is transported from one place to another. Its utility may increase. For an example, if rice transported to Tamil Nadu to Kerala, its utility will be more. அதனுடைய தேவை அதிகரிக்கும் போது மற்ற மாநிலங்களுக்கும் அனுப்பப்படுகிறது. Time utility. If the commodity is stored for future usage, its utility may increase. For an example, agriculture commodities like paddy means rice, wheat, கோதுமை, etc. are stored for the regular uses of consumers throughout the year. ஒரு வருடத்துக்கு தேவையான பொருட்கள் சேமித்து வைக்கப்படுகின்றன. Next we are going to learn about types of production. There are three types of production: primary production, secondary production, tertiary or service production. First one is primary production. Primary production is carried out by extractive industries like agriculture, forestry, fishing, mining means suranga velai, and oil extraction. These industries are engaged in such activities as extracting the gifts of nature from the earth's surface, from beneath the earth's surface and from the oceans. இது கடலுக்கு அடியிலும் பூமிக்கு அடியிலும் உள்ள இயற்கை வளங்களை குறிக்கிறது. Second one, secondary production. This includes production in manufacturing, industry, turning out semi-finished, முழுவதும் முடிக்கப்படாத, and finished goods from raw materials. Raw material means உற்பத்தி பொருள், and intermediate goods, conversion of flour into bread or iron ore Iron ore means இரும்பிலிருந்து பிரித்தெடுக்கக்கூடிய. Into finished steel. They are generally described as manufacturing and construction industries such as the manufacture of car, furnishing, clothing and chemicals, as also engineering and building. Next one is territory production. Industries in the territory sector produce all those services which enable the finished goods to be put in the hands of consumers. In fact, these services are supplied to the farms in all types of industry and directly to consumers. Example, cover distributive traders. Traders means வியாபாரிகள். Banking, insurance, transport and communications. Government services such as law, administration, education, health and defense are also included. Thank you.